Meet the Cybertruck's latest surprise. Tesla's revolutionary design doesn't stop at the sharp lines or the stainless steel body it extends to the windshield wiper. And yes, it's as massive as the truck itself. Earlier today, Tesla's official Cybertruck account shared this clip of the gigantic wiper blade cutting through the rain with precision. And in true Tesla fashion, Elon Musk chimed in with a meme-worthy caption, while others partied, "Cybertruck studied the blade, classic Elon, right?" The internet couldn't resist. Fans quickly joined the fun, linking the Cybertruck's wiper to the classic meme about dedication and focus. But behind the humor, there's innovation. Tesla's wiper blade is more than just a meme generator. Welcome to Electric Scoops, where the future is electric and the power is solar. At the latest scoops on cutting-edge electric vehicles, breakthroughs in solar energy, and up-to-date stock prices in the EV market. From detailed reviews and tech breakdowns to stock insights and industry trends, we've got everything you need to stay ahead in the world of clean energy. Subscribe now to Electric Scoops and power your knowledge on the future of energy, one scoop at a time. Here's the real game changer. Tesla can actually tweak the wiper blade's behavior through over-the-air software updates. Think about that, a windshield wiper that gets smarter with time. Tesla's focus on software integration is light years ahead of traditional automakers. Now, let's talk replacement costs. If your Cybertruck wiper blade gets damaged, Tesla's got you covered. It's available for $75 in the online shop. Sure, it's pricier than the $20 to $25 replacement for a Ford F-150, but hey, we're talking about the Cybertruck. Nothing about this EV screams ordinary. And if you need to install or clean your wiper blade, Tesla's online owner's manual walks you through every step. It's as easy as it gets. So, what do you think? Is the Cybertruck's massive wiper blade a quirky Tesla flex or a glimpse into EV innovation? Let us know in the comments below, and remember to subscribe for more Tesla updates.